Alright, so this is it. This is my last ride into Ferrari. It's a little bittersweet. Definitely sad to see the Ferrari go. It is a Ferrari after all. But I am excited to get into a new whip, get into something new. And at the end of the day, it's just a car. Making a mistake. Alright, so I'm here at Motor Cars of Georgia, where they sell Lamborghinis, McLarens, and Lotuses, Aston Martins, Rolls Royces. This is where I got my Ferrari. I'm about to trade it in. Yeah, maybe I should get a Rolls Royce. It's kind of been on my mind. McLarens. It's kind of dope ass car actually. Looks like they got a bunch of 911s here. I like that black one actually.
Eddie?
Hey, Jim.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Nice to meet
Eddie
you.
Kim, nice to meet you too.
That's for you.
I appreciate it. This is certainly the most beautiful design of all sports cars. This is my dream car too, the silver on red.
Okay, so I don't know what.
So this is the interior of the Porsche 911 Turbo S. It's a lot of technology. Looks like touch screen. Cup holders. Beautiful red guts. Like I said, aesthetically it's everything that I wanted, but when I drive it, it lacks the same, it definitely lacks the oomph of the Ferrari. I just don't know if I can swap this out. I feel very strange right now. I feel like, kind of feel like I'm making a mistake by swapping it out. I don't know if I should do this. Fuck. Over here though. Shit. Call my boy Michael Roth over at Ferrari. Get his 2 cents on this.
Mr. Kim.
Michael, what's up, man?
What's going on, buddy?
Okay, I need your help.
What you got?
I need your help. So, I'm sitting here right now at Georgia Motor Cars of Georgia.
Okay.
I'm sitting behind the wheel of a Porsche 911 Turbo S.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking about swapping it out.
Okay.
But before I do that, it just doesn't feel right, man. So I wanted to call you and either get you to talk me out of it, or...
Why? Have you driven the car?
I did. I just drove it.
Okay. You know, I may be a little biased because I work for the company, but I've driven everything in the world, man.
Yeah.
I've driven GT2 RSs. I've driven Carrera GTs. I've driven Lamborghini Super Trofeos. I've driven everything. Haven't driven a Pagani. Haven't driven a Bugatti. But other than that, you name it, I've driven it. And man, nothing does it for me like a Ferrari. There's just something about them. I think the biggest thing that I would bring to your attention, aside from just overall enjoyment, is resale.
Okay.
A Porsche, a Lamborghini, a Bentley, a high-dollar Mercedes, nothing is going to hold value like a Ferrari.
Okay. All right. I'm glad I called you, man. I'm gonna get the fuck out of here.
I would, man. You got a nice car, man. There's nothing wrong with it. It's got good history. It's got free service. I say drive it. Keep it and enjoy it.
All right, thanks, Michael. I appreciate it, man.
All right, man. No problem.
Okay, I don't think I can pull the trigger on this. Doesn't make any sense. So I came in here looking for a 911 Turbo, but this one really caught my eye. Jesus. This.
Oh, I know.
That is so dope.
I mean, the paint really pops in the sun. You can certainly see the pearl has some metallic in it.
It does. It looks like a bumblebee or something, you know, like a really aggressive bumblebee. Oh, man. Alright, so I just left the dealership, and as you can see, I'm still in my Ferrari. I could not pull the trigger. I couldn't pull the trigger. It just didn't feel the same, you know. The Porsche drive, it was pretty refined. It felt smooth. It was fast, but it just did not deliver the performance of the Ferrari. And I couldn't help but feel like I was kind of downgrading, and yeah, the car just wasn't for me, you know. Maybe if it's like one of my cars in my collection, that's one thing, but you know, being my main car, like, it's just, it was underwhelming. So I left there. Jim over there at Motor Cars of Georgia is super nice. He's very helpful. I know he wanted to make the sale and make the trade with me, but it just wasn't right. However, he did introduce me to Lamborghinis, and I got to drive in a Lamborghini. I got to really get some information about it, get educated on it, and kind of like maybe that's the direction I need to go. But for now, I guess if anything, I just realized how blessed I am, how fortunate I am to own this amazing car, and I'm just going to try to remember to be grateful and thankful for what I have now, instead of always like looking out for what's next. So I guess that's a valuable lesson that I learned, you know, to just appreciate what I have instead of always looking for the next best thing. So yeah, I couldn't do it.
Damn, I would have loved to see that beast come home with you.
It wasn't right. Like, I felt like downgrade immediately when I turned it on. It just like kind of whimpered.
It was like, bing, like too clean.
Yeah, it was too clean.
But think about it though, a Ferrari, everyone's like Porsche this, Porsche that, but you know, when you get a Ferrari, it's kind of like, damn, you got a Ferrari, bro.
Yeah, that feeling is, you can't replace it.
Nope.
But when I was there, I checked out some Lamborghinis.
Okay, how'd you like them? The Bull?
I like the Lamborghini.
Okay.
That felt more like, oh shit, it's different. But
it's like, I think Ferrari still has it's more of your taste.
Yeah.
It's more classier.
It is.
Definitely needs more of your taste. Oh, thank God, I get a weekend to myself.
We're at Quan's Kitchen right now.
Hey, this sauce, secret ingredient, crack. I don't know what they put in that sauce. So good.
Chicken tenders in Atlanta. My boy Andrew's spot. Oh yeah? What do you got?
Cheetah's got some really good.
Oh, Cheetah's does have some good chicken tenders.
But if they combined it with this secret sauce, probably the best combo in Atlanta.
True that. I feel you, Cheetah. And you get, you know, naked bitches too.
Yeah.
My boy's headed to New York again.
Back to my hometown.
I'll walk him out to the station.
Hey, appreciate
Yo, why is my hair so crazy?
it. It's good.
I like having short hair though.
Yeah, it's like easier to handle, huh?
Much easier to
No, I
handle.
feel the same way. I was supposed to wait till like 2019 to cut it. I said, hell no, bro. This is getting too crazy.
What are you gonna do in New York?
I'm gonna go to a Diplo concert tonight, actually.
Okay.
My drunk ass bought a ticket without thinking about it.
Okay.
But, you know, I'm not complaining. Tomorrow I'm gonna see my grandma, stop by. I'm gonna give her a small offering. I saved up $1,000 in cash to give to her.
You can give that to me.
I might use steak dinner, yo. But my grandma raised me, so I want to give her everything I possibly can.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I'm gonna hand it to her.
That's a good grandson right there. Number one.
And on Sunday, I'm supposed to have a boozy brunch, which is like unlimited mimosa and sangria.
Tell Neil and Andrew I said what's up.
Oh, definitely.
Yep, so that was my brother. Headed off to New York. Another vacation. He was just in New York. I'm so proud of him. He's like going on vacation. You know, 4 years ago, he could barely afford to live, and now he's out traveling the world, going to different places, meeting new people. And man, I think from all the hard work that I've done, that's probably one of the things that I'm most proud of. It's like not even like the Ferraris and the Porsches and the cars, the houses. It's like I've put someone in position to also, you know, just chase down their dreams and do the things that they want to do. You know, he was a guy that wasn't really sure what he was going to do with his life. He went from being a sushi chef to an executive at my law firm, and his whole life has changed. His family just like is so proud of him. They're so relieved that he's like accomplished so much and is becoming someone like, you know, really important to a thriving company. And that feeling that I get inside from that, that's actually more difficult to replicate than any car will ever be able to do for me. So Adams, I love you, bro. Be safe. I'll see you when you get back. Peace.